Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3. This is Dr. Wellman, and we've passed the midway point of the course at this time, and you're working on your papers. So let's go into a quick review of what is going to happen this week in your learning activities. So we have here your psych discussion, which is 3 posts on 3 different days. So your first day by Thursday, hope by Friday at the latest, post your initial response to the question. Then by Saturday night, respond to the initial post of a first classmate, respond to the initial post of your second classmate by Sunday. So that's 3 different days, and I think you all know that very well by now. The only other assignment you have this week is your paper, which is applying psychology to your life. Here we go. Let's look at that. Now, the topics this week that you're going to cover are going to be chapters 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that includes cognition, language, creativity, intelligence, motivation and emotion, sex, gender and sexuality, and personality. So and these are the modules that you can review for the that really helps you get a multi-dimensional approach based on your learning style. So we have those chapters all reviewed. Then the movie moment here is about greatness, getting control of your life, and giving that energy. You only get to your goals if you expend energy. So you want to keep doing that and keep believing in yourself. There's a additional here about being happy. Being happy while you achieve your goals, it's your decision. It really is. I have found in life that being happy is a decision that I make each day, each moment, and it's really a good decision to make. So this is about your, make sure you meet your word count for your posts, and this gives you some idea of what you're going to be required to do. Now your paper is something I want to go over a little bit. Now you've looked at these concepts, social change and lifespan and memory, what's positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement, and punishment. What are the issues about gender and sexuality? What is your motivation? What are your emotions like? Your personality, your health, how you cope with stress, your and also there might be psychological disorders or mental health issues that some of you deal with. Maybe some of you deal with anxiety or depression or PTSD, and you could research and write about that. And there are concepts of interpersonal relationships. Sometimes our concept of the relationship really affects how we behave in a relationship and how we decide to stay in it or leave it. Make sure you check out websites that could help you. The quality references that you will be required to make, I require that you use peer-reviewed journal articles. So let's look at the grading grid. It says, now we want to have 3 APA-style references list at the end of the paper. That means you're going to use academic articles. You can use extra articles that are not necessarily academic if you wish, but you must have at least 3 that are academic and drawn from peer-reviewed journal articles, and I've put up a recording for that. Now the final exam review is here, so that's going to be for the end of week 4, and this is the discussion rubric that I use, and you've already seen that. Then there's the discussion forum, which is about sex education and who should offer information. Should it be the schools? Should it be the parents? You give a discussion on that, and I hope that will be based on research, because when it's based on research, it's a more valid opinion, isn't it? So that's why we're here, is to get an education. that is the overview of week 3. So I hope that's helpful. We will again have Kaiser Live Tuesday evening unless otherwise announced, and I look forward to that time with you.